I wonder what's taking so long. I know they're supposed to be here. I don't know what happened. Where are these girls? Maybe I should call. Hey! Hey! What are we gonna do with this?
Welcome to Nalah and Nadia Show.
Welcome to Nalah and Nadia Show.
Today we're dyeing eggs.
Eggs.
We're dyeing eggs.
What are we using to dye eggs?
So we're using shaving cream.
And what
Food
else?
coloring, and then we're using eggs.
Yes.
So what we're going to do is put the shaving cream inside each one of these bowls, and the dye that you see here, we're going to put 2 squirts in each one, and then take the egg and roll it twice, and then place it on top of the cardboard here. Okay? So let's get started. Can I do the shaving cream?
Yeah.
Maybe we should do gloves first.
Oh, you don't want to get messy, guys, because this is very messy. We need gloves. Come on. All right. Nadia, you got to put your gloves.
Your little tiny hands. Got it. Hey guys.
High five, Bobby. High five.
All right.
High five.
All right, let me put my other glove on.
I want my glove.
Yeah, so nice. Okay.
So first of all, we're going to put a shaving cream.
Yes.
Shaving cream. Okay,
It's
so
kind of
all right, so here we go, you guys. Shake it up, shake it up. There we go. Lots of shaving cream.
No.
Maybe not
My
lots,
turn.
but that's enough.
All right. This is how I put it on my face.
That's enough.
Okay. All right, so next we have to be very careful, and you may want to work with your parents, you guys, to put 2 squirts of food coloring in each. So Nalah, you ready?
So what color do you have?
I got orange. I got pink.
You do?
Alright.
Okay, so you got orange, you got pink. All right, 2 squirts. 1, 2. That was, all right,
You can put one more in there.
okay.
I got this.
And now let's try the next color.
Hold on, baby. Let me help you a little.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got it, Nalah?
And then let's try a pink color. I
All
mean,
right, you ready, Nadia?
what
All right,
color
let's
do you
put
want?
this. You gotta squeeze it in there. 1, 2. All right, good job. Okay, we got that one. Good job, Nalah.
And then just, yeah, squeeze it right there.
This 1, 2. Okay. All right,
Oh, I
great.
did a lot.
Oh,
That's good.
that's good, Nalah. Okay, so let's put the top back on.
Honey, what colors did you put? Because I only see
This is purple, but we're gonna put our next one in.
So,
This is like a turquoise, I think. Ready, Nadia? Go ahead. Squeeze it. Squeeze it, Nadia. 1, 2. Another one. Squeeze. There you go. All right. All right. So good. So next, you guys, we have to grab 1 egg and we have to roll it twice and then place it softly right on the cardboard. Make sure it doesn't roll. Right? Okay. Let's go. Nadia, grab your first egg. Nalah, grab your first egg. Okay. Grab your first egg and then roll it twice. Pull it. Here, I'll let you do it. You got it, Nadia?
Good job, Nalah.
And then roll it like this. Do like this. Roll it.
Okay, that's good. Now put it right here.
Whoa. So blobbery.
Okay. You got yours?
Okay, Nalah's got
3.
green and orangish, kind of.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
let's,
let's see if we can get some in the blue right here.
yeah, let's
Nalah.
kind of get the blue, and then
Yeah.
let me show you a little. And then we roll it like this.
Can I see?
Yeah, hold on.
Do your, I
See?
could, look, let me do it for you.
Mommy, can I do it?
Yeah, don't mix it too much.
You took your gloves off, sweetie. All right, so we're gonna roll it. Oh, you're doing great, Nalah. That looks very good. Look at Nalah's. It's like a marble-ish type of color, right? All right, so we're down to 2.
Poppy, yours is good too.
Yeah, Nalah, that's good. Look at this. Look at Nalah's, everyone. Wow. All right, now let's place it in there.
That's enough
On the
rolling.
cardboard?
Put it right here.
I'll put it right there.
Okay. All right, we're working on our last one, you guys. Here we go.
Pretty.
All right. There you go. And so now we pick it up.
Oh my God.
Salute. And place it here. So what we're going to do, you guys, we're going to let this dry for about, Mom, would you say about 15 minutes?
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. So let's wait and we'll be back to you. Welcome back. Okay, so like if we're looking at this looks so beautiful. So now we have to take these towels and kind of pat the eggs. You don't want to wipe, you just want to pat. So we're gonna start off with 1 egg each. One for Nalah. Can you pat and I'll hold it. Nadia, I need your help. Pat all of the foam off. Got it?
Good job.
All right.
So pretty.
All right, is it almost clean, Nadia? Let me turn it around so you get that side.
That is so pretty, Nadia.
Okay. Clean this side, Nadia. Down.
Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful marble egg.
Look, you guys.
They turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
We're
okay.
back.
We're always back. Okay.
I see green, rainbow, purple.
And purple, right?
All right, let's do another
Let's do
one.
another one. Hold on. All right. And then it's gonna be we're gonna have.
It's
Nadia.
Nadia's turn now.
It's Nadia's turn. Okay.
Yep.
Come on, Nadia.
Fold the paper towel, please.
Hold on, Nadia. You gotta wipe it off. Here you go. There you go. Okay, wipe it off.
Mom, me too.
You're next. Good job, Nadia.
Give me.
Nalah's next. All right. Okay. All right, now place it in here. Good job, Nadia. Good job. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Okay.
You want to show your egg, Nadia?
Show them your egg. Show your friends your egg.
Pretty.
What colors do you see?
Purple, pink.
Purple and pink.
I can see purple and pink. Purple.
Okay. All right. So Nalah's turn. Thank you. Let's dump it in there. All right. Let's wait. Nalah's turn. Here we go, Nalah.
Yeah,
Yours
that's
has a
a
lot of
lot.
foam on it. Look at that. Okay. I gotta spin it when you do it, right?
Okay, I want to do another one. This time I want
Okay,
to do
then wait this
another
part.
one. I want to do another one.
Okay, Nadia, your turn next.
No, I want to put it somewhere.
All right. What would you like to put it? All right,
I
Nadia.
want to put it right.
Nadia,
on
you're
that.
next.
Do this.
You're
I'm
next.
gonna do that.
Thank you. All right. So Nadia, here you go. Wipe it off. You gonna wipe it off? All right. Good job.
Or cake.
And what about you?
Good job, Nadia.
All right.
Back.
All right. Now, Nadia. All right. Are you done? Place it inside.
No, I'm not done.
Okay. All right. How about you, Nalah?
Nalah, good
It's
job.
looking good. Show everyone your egg.
Not yet.
Okay. It's a surprise, you guys. You got to take a look at this. This is amazing.
You're done?
Look at that
Wow.
one. She put it like a texture. This looks like a planet.
Guys.
Oh, look at that one, Nadia. Looks like marble, pink marble.
Yeah,
All right.
I did it already.
All right, let's do this one right here. All right, Nadia's turn. Here we go.
Nadia's turn.
There you go, Nadia. Good job, Nadia.
No, I'm not done.
You're not done?
No, there's an egg inside there.
Okay. There's a surprise.
Let's see.
Let's see. Show your friends your surprise. Woo! Show your friends.
Beautiful.
Look, you guys. Oh.
Naughty.
Okay, Nalah. I think you need a little more.
Did you crack it?
Oh no, Humpty Dumpty crack. Oh no. But he's gonna be all right. Look at this. Oh no.
no.
Look at his face.
Help me. Crack.
It's okay. All right, so good job, Nalah. Place it in the last one. Don't crack it, Nalah.
We done.
All right, we're done, you guys. Take a look at this. Now, if you would like to make...
Hey guys, want to make your own? What do you want to make? You want to make kinds of house, or trees, or
Different colors, right?
or you can make different kinds of food coloring pasta.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that one.
I like that.
The food color pasta is cool, Nalah.
Yeah, we're going to have a lot of
If
crafts.
you want to do this again, then just subscribe to Nalah and Nadia. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Bye. Bye-bye.